Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you 5 easy ways to free up storage space on your Windows PC. If your computer's running slow or you're getting low storage warnings, these tips will help you out. Let's jump in. Empty your recycle bin. Alright, first thing, right-click on your recycle bin icon on the desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. This'll permanently delete all those files you've been holding on to. Clean your Downloads folder. Now, open your Downloads folder. Here's the thing. This folder gets cluttered really fast with old files you probably don't need anymore. Just sort through it and delete anything you're not using. Uninstall unused apps. Okay, next up, open Windows Settings. Then click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and look for any programs you don't use anymore. Just click the 3 dots next to them and hit Uninstall. Run Disk Cleanup tool. Now, search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open it. Select your main drive, then check the boxes next to categories like temporary files, recycle bin, and downloaded program files. Click OK to clean them up. And finally, if you have large files like videos or photos taking up space, consider moving them to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This will free up a ton of space instantly. And that's it. 5 simple ways to get your PC running smoothly again. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.